Okay, so if I give you log base 8 2xy, what is expanded form?
Is that when you bring it up like log 8 2x?
Log 8 2 plus log 8x plus log 8y. That's expanded form. Okay? So what if I had one like this?
And x minus. No.
Wouldn't it be 3 ln of x?
Is that e to the y?
E times y.
So then it would be plus.
It would be minus what? 1. Do you all know ln of e is what?
Yes.
And then what?
Minus
Minus ln of y?
Yes.
We good with that? That's the very first thing on the test. All right? The next thing on the test says write as a single logarithm. So log base 4 of x plus log base 4 of 7 minus log base 4 of y. How would I write this? As a single. That means I only write the word log once, doesn't it?
X7 over y.
X 7 over y. You good with that? All right. Can we do a little bit harder one? 3 log x minus 4 log y minus log z. And it says write as a single logarithm. What are you doing besides making noise?
Spend stuff in my pocket.
Can I write this one as a single? Okay, log. What happens with the x? Where? On top or bottom? X cubed. Y to the 4th is on bottom.
Yes. Is that times z on bottom?
Yes. Times z on bottom. Catch that? Between the expand and the write as a single, that is the first 8 problems on the test. So you have to know how to do this, don't you? Do you? You're good with this? All right. Now, the directions say solve the equation. Round to 3 decimal places. All right? And there are several varieties of this kind of problem. Same directions. Solve it, round to 3 decimal places. All right? So what if I have 5 to the x equals 12? an x or a letter in my exponent, don't I get that term by itself and log both sides? Isn't that what I do? You remember that? So log of 5 to the x equals log of 12. Now what? X log 5 equals log 12. What is x?
1.544.
What? How long did I say?
3.
3.
544.
Is he right?
He is. Yeah.
1.544. You're okay with that? Okay. What do I do with this?
15 both sides.
Add 15 to both sides? So 880 equals 12 to the x. Now what? Log 880 equals x log 12.
Divide by log 12. I got 2.728.
2.728. Everybody get that? Everybody's okay putting in their calculators? Okay. What do I have to do first? Divided by 8. So 3 equals e to the negative 2x. Right? I ln both sides.
So alg3 equals -2x.
X equals what? I always want more than one person to give me an answer because I want you to.
I got
Negative 0.5.
What you all got? Negative 0.549. That's why I like more than one person to give me an answer, because that way if somebody made a little mistake, we can catch it. How is this so far? It's actually okay? It's actually, we're going to do okay? Okay. Can I kind of switch problems a little bit? Switch types? What?
Does it break out to like log 6 2x plus log 6 5?
No.
log 6's cancel out.
I what?
The log 6's cancel out.
The logs just cancel out because they're exactly the same and I have one on each side. So 2x plus 5 equals 8 minus x.
Move the x's to one side.
Move the x to the left and 5 to the right. 3x equals 3, x equals 1. What do I have to do on this problem? I have to check to make sure what I'm taking the log of isn't 0. Don't I? Am I okay here?
Yes.
Am I okay here? So x equal 1 is my answer? How was that? Okay with that? Okay. Moving right along. Do I have the same log on both sides?
Yes.
Yeah. Don't I both have just log base 10?
Yes.
Yeah. Not what I'm taking the log of, but the log itself.
Yeah.
So it cancels out. So I have x squared minus 5x equals 6. Right?
Yes. You said it equals 0, you're always going. Yes.
Yes. Sawyer, are you doing this with us? So you got 6 and negative 1.
Yes.
Does a 6 work?
Yeah.
Does a negative 1 work?
Yes.
No. No. No, it doesn't.
I think it does.
1.
Wait.
Yeah, equals like 6.
They both work?
Whatever.
Still doing good?
What happens on that's what I don't want to get used.
Okay, there's our problem. This one has a little bit more to it, and I need to kind of simplify things, don't I? Well, first of all, I should subtract 10.
Yeah.
Shouldn't I? 14. So 2 log base 4 of 2x minus 1 equals 14.
Log 4 to 2x base 1 equals 7.
Log base 4 of 2x minus 1 equals 7. Now what? Anybody have an idea?
Can you put a log base 4 on the other side?
Okay, Brandon, do you have an idea?
No.
Well, I just knew you did because you were talking. I thought you were telling Jaden how to solve the problem.
Well, Jane must.
Dude, side by log.
I can never divide by a log, but I can convert it to exponential form. Remember doing that? So 4 to the 7th equals 2x minus 1. Remember doing that? What's 4 to the 7th?
1600. There's 16,000. There's
300 what?
84.
84 equals 2x minus 1. Right?
One.
So 16,385 is 2x, right?
Divided by 2, and I got 8,192.5.
That's what I said.
We have one more thing to do. Why are you all still talking while I'm talking? We have one more thing to do. Check to see if it makes something negative. And here is my original problem. And I think we're good. What do you think? Think you're good? Is that type okay? Okay, last thing on the test. Word problems. Now, you did those word problems. Did you make 100?
I don't know.
You don't know? You graded them. So, this is what is on the test. That is written on the test. You don't have to remember these formulas. Now, you do have to know what the letters stand for, but I think we've used them enough that you know, don't you? A $50,000 inheritance is invested for 20 years. Okay? $50,000, 20 years, compounded quarterly, and it grows to $102,000. Find the interest rate. Which formula am I using? The left one. So is $102,000 equal to $50,000 times 1 plus R over what is N? 4. And what is N times T? 80? What do I have to do first?
Divide by 50,000.
That would be good. What do you get? 2.04? 2.04 equals 1 plus R over 4 to the 80. Anybody have an idea of what to do now? I need to get rid of that exponent.
Do we make it log? Yeah, we should make it 80 log.
So you want to do log 2.04 equals 80 log 1 plus R over 4? Okay, now what?
Divide by 80.
I think that's going to make it harder, isn't it?
Cancel the log.
Well, yeah, but we just put them in. So yeah, that's what I would, right here,
That's correct. There it is.
if the right side is raised to the 80th power, don't I want to take it to the reciprocal power, 1/80. Then I do the same on both sides. So those are gone. So what is 2.04? And you all are going to have to carry some long decimals out, I'm afraid, on this.
0.00.
Huh?
0.0255. Sure. Yeah.
What are you doing? 1.00895? So 1.00895. Is that what you got? Equals 1 plus R/4.
Subtract 1, so it's just 0.0083.
Subtract 1. Wait a minute, let them get it written down. 0.00895 equals R/4. 3.6%. That's probably the hardest one on the test. Is it worth studying? Is that what you're asking?
Maybe.
I don't know. I never know till after the test what I want to pull out. What kind of sticker do you want?
I don't know. What are our options?
Oh, okay. Can we do another one? If $15,000 is invested in an account earning 6.5% interest, compounded continuous. How long until it triples? So 45,000 equals 15,000 E 0.065 T.
Yep.
What do I do now? So 3 equals E to the 0.065 T. ln of 3 equals 0.065 T. What is?
Oh wait, it's 6.5%?
Uh-huh. What's T?
16.9 years.
16.9 years.